Hi, welcome to BananaCrystal. In this video, I will be showing you how you can apply for your USD Debit Card on BananaCrystal app. However, if you have already purchased your USD Debit Card before now on our website and you have received your coupon code, do not worry. I will also show you how you can complete the application process. Let's get started. To apply for your USD Debit Card, sign in into your dashboard, scroll down and click on Cards to continue. After clicking on Cards from the previous page, the next step for you to take is to click on Apply for a card in order for you to proceed. BananaCrystal offers 4 types of USD debit cards, ranging from $400 to 1,120 US dollars. The key difference between these cards lies in their monthly spending limit, giving you the freedom to select a card that matches your usage requirement. You can also scroll down to the bottom of the page to learn more about the card features. As mentioned earlier in the video, if you already have a coupon code, click on Redeem Coupon to proceed with your card application process. However, if you do not have a coupon code yet, click on Get Your Card to start the card application process. After you have clicked on Get Your Card in the previous page, the next thing is to fill the application form with your basic information and click on Next to proceed. The next page displays the identity verification form. Upload the profile page of your international passport for verification. Upload a clear selfie of yourself holding your international passport, and also upload a copy of your digital signature. Once you have done this, click on Next to proceed. Enter your full mailing address and note that the address you entered is the location at which your USD debit card will be delivered to. The final step is for you to review your application details. Once you confirm that there are no errors in your card applications, click on Submit Application. Thank you for choosing BananaCrystal.